Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss an important topic that concerns millions of people, excess body fat and how we can support our body in burning it naturally while we sleep. Extra fat in the body is not just about appearance, it has real health implications. Let's start by understanding the disadvantages of excess fat. Carrying too much fat, especially around the abdomen, can lead to several health issues. It increases the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and high blood pressure. Extra fat also affects hormone balance, which can lead to low energy levels and poor sleep quality. Over time, it can strain the joints and impact overall mobility. That's why managing fat is not just for looking good, it's for staying healthy and active. Now, let's talk about a simple, natural drink that can help your body support fat metabolism while you sleep. This drink is easy to make, safe, and uses ingredients that many of us already have at home. Here's what you need: 1 cup of warm herbal tea, a light chamomile or peppermint for relaxation, a slice of fresh lemon for detox and vitamin C, a pinch of cinnamon powder to support blood sugar balance, optional, a small piece of ginger for digestion and metabolism. Mix these ingredients in a cup of warm water and drink it about 30 minutes before bedtime. This combination promotes relaxation, improves digestion, and supports fat metabolism during the night. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts the food and drinks you consume into energy. Even while you sleep, your body requires energy to maintain essential functions such as breathing, circulation, and cell repair. A drink made with ingredients like lemon, cinnamon, and ginger can gently support this process. Cinnamon, for example, helps regulate blood sugar levels, which plays an important role in fat metabolism. When your blood sugar is stable, your body is less likely to store excess fat. Ginger contains compounds that may slightly raise your metabolic rate, meaning your body burns more calories even at rest. Lemon provides vitamin C, which supports overall metabolic function and helps the body process fat efficiently. Drinking a warm herbal tea as a base also soothes the body and improves hydration, which is essential for efficient calorie burning. When you drink this beverage before bed, it doesn't make your metabolism skyrocket overnight like a magic potion, but it provides your body with supportive elements that help it work at its best while you rest. Over time, this consistent support can contribute to better fat utilization and energy balance. Healthy digestion is essential for weight management and overall wellness, and drinking this beverage before bed can significantly aid in that process. Herbal teas such as chamomile or peppermint are known to soothe the digestive tract and reduce bloating or discomfort, which is common after a heavy dinner. Ginger is particularly effective because it helps stimulate digestive enzymes, which assist in breaking down food efficiently so it doesn't sit in your stomach overnight. Lemon juice promotes bile production, which is important for fat digestion and nutrient absorption. When digestion runs smoothly, the body can process nutrients effectively and prevent undigested food from turning into fat storage. Additionally, a healthy gut environment contributes to better hormone regulation, which influences appetite and metabolism. Poor digestion can lead to problems like acid reflux, bloating, and weight gain over time, but by drinking a light, warm, natural beverage before bed, you're giving your digestive system a gentle boost without adding calories. This means your body can spend more energy on repairing and detoxifying instead of struggling to break down leftover food while you sleep. Stress and poor sleep are 2 major factors that can hinder fat loss. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can increase fat storage, especially around the belly area. Drinking a calming beverage like herbal tea before bed helps lower stress levels and prepares your mind and body for restful sleep. Chamomile is widely known for its natural calming effect, and peppermint provides a soothing sensation that reduces mental tension. Lower stress means lower cortisol levels, which allows the body to focus on repair and fat metabolism instead of staying in survival mode. Sleep quality also matters because your body does most of its fat burning and hormonal balancing during deep sleep stages. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones like leptin and ghrelin, making you crave more food the next day, often leading to overeating. By creating a bedtime ritual with this warm, natural drink, you're signaling to your body that it's time to relax. Over time, better sleep patterns lead to improved energy levels, more balanced hormones, and a metabolism that works efficiently, helping you burn fat while you rest without extreme effort. Stable blood sugar levels are essential for weight control and fat burning, especially at night. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes, your body releases insulin to bring it back to normal. High insulin levels signal the body to store fat rather than burn it. By drinking a beverage that contains cinnamon before bed, you can help keep your blood sugar more stable during the night. Cinnamon has been shown in studies to improve insulin sensitivity, which allows your body to use glucose more effectively instead of converting it into fat. Lemon and ginger also play a role by supporting digestion and metabolism, which indirectly helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar prevents nighttime cravings, keeps you from waking up hungry, and supports a calm, fat-burning environment while you sleep. Over time, this small habit can make a big difference in reducing belly fat and promoting overall metabolic health. The key is consistency. Drinking this beverage regularly helps you avoid the cycle of late, night sugar crashes that lead to fat storage and disrupt your body's natural rhythm. Your body needs adequate hydration to carry out metabolic functions, including fat burning. During sleep, your body continues detoxification processes to eliminate waste and toxins. Drinking a warm, light beverage before bed supports these processes by keeping your system hydrated without overloading it. Ingredients like lemon act as a gentle detoxifier by stimulating liver function, which plays a central role in fat metabolism and toxin removal. Ginger and cinnamon have antioxidant properties that protect your cells from oxidative stress, which is linked to inflammation and weight gain. Detoxification does not mean an extreme cleanse. It simply means supporting your body's natural ability to process and eliminate what it doesn't need. Staying hydrated overnight also helps your body maintain optimal temperature and metabolic efficiency. When you wake up in the morning, you'll feel refreshed, and your digestive system will be ready to function at its best. This simple habit of drinking a natural, hydrating beverage before bed ensures your body has the tools it needs to cleanse and recover, ultimately supporting a leaner, healthier body over time. At the end of the day, burning fat and staying healthy is about making small, consistent choices that work with your body, not against it. This simple bedtime drink won't replace a balanced diet or regular movement, but it can give your metabolism the gentle boost it needs while you sleep. It supports digestion, calms your mind, hydrates your system, and creates the perfect environment for your body to function at its best overnight. Start adding this easy habit to your nighttime routine, stay consistent, and you'll notice the difference over time. Not just in your weight, but in your overall energy, sleep quality, and health. Remember, real results come from sustainable habits, and this is one of the simplest steps you can take starting tonight. Sleep well, and let your body do the work for you while you rest.